Tonight at 9, Christmas comedy. It must be Eric and Ernie.
Do you remember when we used to go to the stage door to sign autographs for our friends?
Why, some nights we were there for hours.
Yes. And still they didn't show up.
No.
Come on, here, come on, here. Alexander's right down there. Come on, here, come on, here. It's the best band in the land. They can play you like you never heard before.
Dracula's daughter?
I think she is, yes.
She can sit and watch with her mother. The bitch.
Oh, you've heard?
I would like to introduce you to one of the greatest actors in the country today.
Good evening.
Get off! Oh.
Celebrate with Eric and Ernie, the Morecambe Wise Christmas show, tonight at 9 on ITV.
And these are our full programmes for an entertainment here tonight on Central. Neil Simon's famous play California Suite brings a light touch to the late evening, and we close for Boxing Day with Come Close at 12:10. Full details in the holiday edition of TV Times. And now we're off to Venice and Rio with 007, James Bond himself.